If you want to know which trend to avoid this season and what to wear instead, you're in the right place. Bonjour French chic ladies. Every season, fashion tries to tempt us with new trends, but many of them do not work for us ladies over 50. To help me show you what you can wear instead, lilysilk have sent me some pieces and they are sponsoring this video. All the links of these pieces will be in the description box below. On y va? Let's start with the biggest offender of all, athleisure. Sweatshirt, hoodies, jog pants, track pants, yoga pants, leggings, worn as fashion. How many times have I told you this, my beautiful ladies? These pieces should be worn for the gym when you work out, not as day wear. The excuse is, oh, but it is comfortable. The problem is for us women over 50, the relaxed vibe becomes lazy. It flattens your shape, lacks structure, and rarely flatters. May I suggest that you go for refined comfort instead? It is just as comfortable, takes the same amount of time to put on, but looks 10 times better. For instance, these silk and wool blended trousers. So they're very comfortable, great on the body. The good thing about the silk wool blend is that it does not crease as much. Not overly long, but not overly short either. Just right for loafers, for instance. Talking of loafers, that reminds me. Got a pair of burgundy loafers here in silk and leather by lilysilk, covered in silk, and on the back here you have the leather that you can use as well to wear the loafer as an open mule. So let's try them on. You can see as well they're so comfortable. They feel almost like slippers. You don't have to go for those thick running shoes. Instead, wear a comfortable pair of loafers like these. So those trousers, pair them with a sweater like this one, silk and merino wool blend, very soft, warm, and I really love the style of it. High neckline and lovely finished sleeves, rolled up. I like that. So comfortable, and it feels very good on the body. So I will show you like this. So I'm showing you the length. What I like is to tuck it in the front of the trousers, so that it does not cut your body in half in a straight line if you just sit like this at the front. So it creates a curve at the front, which is much more flattering. Wearing with it a white leather belt from lilysilk, and look at the side of the belt, it's got a lilysilk monogram. I like the little detailing, and we like this as well because it keeps the little ring from going off the belt and getting lost. Could also wear a black belt. Let's try that. This is the black belt, also from lilysilk. I would never wear any piece of athleisure if you paid me. But this, oh yes. Something I wanted to show you about these black trousers. Thought it might be a bit too short for me, but I discovered something fabulous. You have two buttons on either side of the hemline. I unfastened them, and the trouser was a little bit longer. So you can lengthen the trousers or shorten them at will. Fantastic. The next offending trend is polyester knits. Now, before I show you something beautiful, I need to get changed. Just put these silk wool blend trousers on from lilysilk. Oh my gosh, they feel so good on. Oh, and they look so good. I love the shape. I love the pinstriped. Don't forget, the pinstripes are very slimming. And with those loafers, that's perfect. Okay, I got sidetracked. Back to what I was talking about, polyester knits. And this is what I want to show you. Baby cashmere sweater, ladies. Let's put it on. A V-neck sweater, very trendy this autumn, over this beautiful white silk camisole. My lovely ladies, do not be shy about wearing camisoles under your sweaters or your shirts, even for day wear.
Be careful of the microphone.
Yes.
Go.
Beautifully soft, thin but warm, quite long. It warms all your back and your bottom if you want to leave it long. But me, I prefer to tuck it in the front, put it properly like this, and you see, you can see the detail, you can see the small belt that looks nice, that it shows that you have worn everything on purpose, that you are styling your clothes, not just wearing them. Of course, in fall or winter, the temperatures start going down. What you want to wear are warm, natural fabrics. Baby cashmere is one of them. It is amazingly soft and warm, and which is what we want on our body, not acrylic. Acrylic is not warm, and it's a little bit prickly, it's not soft, doesn't look good after a few wears, but something of quality like cashmere, you look after them and they will last 4 years. Buy less, but better. On my body right now, everything is soft, smooth, warm, and I feel so comfortable. But I look refined. I've got something else to show you now. This is a treat. This is a cardigan made of silk and merino wool blend, soft, warm, and good quality fabric, natural. So let's try this. Oh, now this is heavy because it has wool in 70% wool. Something like this with wool is heavy. Wool is heavy. But if you pick up an acrylic item, it's going to be very light. So that's one of the easy things to do to recognize something of quality and made of natural fabric. Look at this. So much nicer than a fleece jacket or hoodies. I'm wearing this. It is modern, it is casual, but it looks stylish. So you've got that zip that opens two ways. Close it for a minute. Nice and warm. You can also casually open one up a little bit. For a little bit of style, you could show your belt like this if you wanted to. Here you are. You can leave it like this to be even warmer. Look at that. That's really stylish. And you can wear underneath a turtleneck or a shirt, whatever you wish. Don't forget, layering is a smart thing to do when the temperatures are low. So that is really nice and warm. Also, another one, when it gets really cold, put that, another one, wool and silk, over your shoulders like this. I tell you, it is so warm, so full of quality and softness. Why wear polyester when you can wear cashmere or wool? My pro tip is good fabrics elevate every outfit. The next authentic trend this fall is romantic, gothic or bad romance. So in this trend, you will see a lot of faux or real leather mixed with black lace, a lot of black and a lot of black on black and more black. To show you what I would wear instead, give me 2 seconds and I get changed again. So here I am again with this off-white silk camisole. So this is a beautiful piece with lace that is romantic and feminine. I know that some of you may be worried about just wearing a camisole on its own, maybe showing off your arm. So I've got something else for you. This beautiful off-white silk shirt. So let's put it over the top. So you can wear a blouse like this, simple, elegant, beautiful silk over the top like this, and you can wear it loose and open. And this way it acts more like a jacket. I also love the placket over the buttons, so you don't see the buttons at all. But the buttons are lovely as mother of pearl. So this is nice like this on its own, and it is relaxed yet refined, ladies, and certainly not bad romance. Let's fasten it up and see how it looks. So I'm going to tuck it in my trousers. It is nipped in at the back like this. So when you tuck it in, you don't have an excess of fabrics. Everything is much more slimlined. And I think we do appreciate that, ladies. Let us know in the comments. That looks really nice. So you can show the lace of the camisole underneath. It's not harsh on your skin. And the beauty of silk is that it gives a glow to your face. So I really like that. And it is, again, romantic and feminine. What I could also do is wear that sweater over the top or over your shoulders to keep warm. So we're staying in the light and warm color. That's really nice. Every single piece that I'm wearing is soft, warm, and luxurious. The next offending trend is large logos and over-designed pieces. As you know, French chic is all about quality and simplicity. So we don't need to do large logos or things that are in your face to show you that we wear luxurious pieces. We do it with quiet elegance. So these pieces from lilysilk are perfect to show you this. Every piece is well styled, well cut, well designed, with nothing over the top. So for instance, I'm wearing those pinstrap trousers. I'm gonna wear the jacket with it. So a beautiful jacket that you can wear on its own with other trousers or with the trousers as a suit. It is really nice. Okay, it is long, so do this with your sleeves. Look at that. That is lovely. Something I'm thinking about to modernize the look a little bit is this. I have put on the cardigan, so you can leave it open a little bit. There. Put your hand in your pocket, and that modernizes the whole look. You could wear, instead of the blouse, a turtleneck, for instance, or another sweater, or that white one. Ta-da! So you can either do this, your turtleneck, with the cardigan, or another option, like this. Which outfit is your favorite so far? Let us know in the comments. The next offending trend is sheer or transparent crop tops. In my view, very inappropriate for women over 50, or at any time really. Instead, go for quality pieces in natural fabrics that cover you, keeps you warm, and make you look amazing. Please remember that all the links to the pieces shown are in the description box below. If you enjoyed discovering which trend to avoid and what to wear instead, you will love the video on screen now.